What do you eat?
Cherry.
Cherry. How to eat cherry? First,
First, there's a hole here and there's a cherry.
Like that?
I got the cherry.
how does it taste?
Yummy.
Yummy.
And
Is
when
it sweet?
Yes. When you're done,
You throw it and then over there, and then what's next?
Speaking, di ba?
Next.
Next.
Nag-speak niya.
Yeah.
Cherry.
Cherry.
There you go.
Yes. How to eat cherry? Show it to them. First,
First,
there's a hole,
there's a hole.
and then
Squeeze the
you
cherry.
squeeze the cherry.
And eat it.
Eat. After you eat, what will you do?
Once done, look at the cherry.
Yes. Oh.
And if you get the food on the cherry,
And then?
done,
Manyad kami.
Throw it! Yeah.
Tangkang tanaman.
Bye. Bye, guys.
bye guys.